In this video, I'm going to show you how I decorate a vignette in my kitchen. If you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you like to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. The title to this collaboration is You Auto Be Mine Red Truck Valentine's Vignette. Well, in my case, pink truck vignette, because I couldn't find a red one. And it is hosted by Tracey of Secondhand Tracey. Now, she has simple rules. She asks that you put your vignette on a tray so it is portable so you can move it anywhere you want it. She asks that you use a red truck, or, well, she asks you to use a truck, and that you must have hearts. And she also asks that you be a subscriber to her channel, that you mention her channel in your video, that you link her channel and the playlist link when it becomes available in your description, and asks you to have fun. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for my vignette, you know what to do. Stick around. And like always, I always start off with a clean slate. I've cleared my winter vignette and cleaned the tray, and I'm ready to set things on. Now I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let you watch as I work. Here is my finished vignette. I used the same copper tray, the copper salt and pepper shakers, and the copper dispensers. They are a staple on this tray. Now what I did add was the pink candle and the candle stand on the back, and then the cupcake holder, the DIY I did here lately. The pink candle and the candle holder is a vase from my wedding reception. Now I did add the pink hearts into the vase, and I think they look very pretty. There's two different kinds. I think I got those at Party City. And then the pink saucer, I thought it would be a nice touch to Valentine's. And then the pink truck, I found that one. I looked up on that one because everywhere I went they were out of red, and this pink one was from the General Dollar store, and you see it was $1. And all they had was one left, and I grabbed that one. So just to let you know that the pink and the red trucks are like flying off the shelves everywhere. But here's an overview at my vignette. I think it came out kind of cute this year. I did add the white and pink roses in the cupcake stand. I think it made it look more festive for the Valentine season and for the color theme that I'm doing in my kitchen for Valentine's this year. If you haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, check out my website, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. And don't forget to join for the quickest updates. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And never stop exploring. Continue to the last screen. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.